Something wild's breaking up the cage. Ready for the battle, made for the flames. There's no rival standing in the way. Every legend's down for the chase. Can you feel the pressure rise? Everything is on the line. Now's the time. It's time to play with the wild ones. Ready or not, here we come. It's time to play with the wild ones. Take your shot, get it done. It's time to play with the wild ones. Climbing to the top never gets old. Everything we touch turns into gold. Can you feel the power rise? Revolution's taking flight. It's do or die. It's time to play with the wild ones. Ready or not, here we come. It's time to play with the wild ones. Take your shot, get it done. It's time to play with the wild ones. Can you feel the pressure rise? Everything is on the line. It's time to play with the wild ones. Ready or not, here we come. It's time to play with the wild ones. Take your shot, get it done. It's time to play with the wild ones.
So I guess both. Am I an angel or a devil? I'm only human, so I guess both.
Godspeed for the last time. My rear views like my past life. My demons mad that I'm too fast. Furious when I zoom past. Bite the dust while I dash. The villain gets the last laugh. Thought I had the white hat. Who gon' boast, who gon' brag? Who gon' boast to this rap when I goes in my path?
Am I an angel or a devil? I'm only human, so I guess both. Am I an angel or a devil? I'm only human, so I guess both.
Unsettled. Heaven's gates told me hell no. Demon said I ain't special. Antagonists watch me meddle. Tell the world, make it tremble. The question leaves them unsettled. Am I an angel or devil? Yes, both. The bond that we build cannot be broke. These are family ties. It's right to the wheels, fall off the road. Every connect in the sky. The blood that we shed and that we cried. Keeping with us till we die. We had a hell of a ride, but now it's time for goodbyes.
guess both.
The bond that we build cannot be broke. Candies are family ties. It's right to the wheels, fall off the road. Every connect in the sky. The blood that we shed and that we cried, keeping with us till we die. We had a hell of a ride, but now it's time for goodbye. Am I an angel or devil? The question leaves them unsettled. Heaven's gates told me hell no. Demon said I ain't special. Antagonists watch me meddle. Tell the world, make it tremble. The question leaves them unsettled. Am I an angel or devil? Am I an angel or a devil? Am I an angel or a devil?
Some days I just wanna up and call it quits. I feel like I'm surrounded by a wall of bricks. Every time I go to get up, I just fall in pits. My life's like one great big ball of shit. If I could just put it all into all I spit, instead of always trying to swallow it, instead of staring at this wall and shit, while I sit writer's block, sick of all this shit. Can't call it shit. All I know is I'm about to hit the wall. If I have to see another one of mom's alcoholic fits, this is it, last straw, that's all, that's it. I ain't dealing with another fucking politic. I'm like a skillet bubbling until it filters up. I'm about to kill it, I can feel it building up. Blow this building up, I've been sealed enough. My cup runneth over, I done filled it up. The pin explodes and busts, ink spills my guts. You think all I do is stand here and feel my nuts? Well, I'ma show you what, you gon' feel my rush. You don't feel it, then it must be too real to touch. Feel the Dutch, I'm about to tear shit up. Goosebumps, yeah, I'ma make your hair sit up. Yeah, sit up, I'ma tell you who I be. I'ma make you hate me, cause you ain't me. You wait, it ain't too late to finally see what you close-minded fucks, what you blind to see. Whoever finds me's gonna get a finder's fee. Out this world, ain't no one out their mind is me. You need peace of mind, here's a piece of mind. All I need's a line, but sometimes I don't always find the words to rhyme, to express how I'm really feeling at that time. Yeah, sometimes, just sometimes it's always me. How dark can these hallways be? The clock strikes midnight, 1, 2, then 3:30. This half-ass rhyme with this half-ass piece of paper. I'm desperate at my desk, if I could just get the rest of this shit off my chest again. Stuck in this slump, can't think of nothing. Fuck, I'm stumped. Oh wait, here comes something. Nope, it's not good enough. Scribble it out. New pad, crinkle it up and throw this shit out. I'm fizzling out. Thought I figured it out. Balls in my court, but I'm scared to dribble it out. I'm afraid, but why am I afraid? Why am I a slave to this trade? Sign out, I spit to the grave. Real enough to rile you up. Want me to flip it? I can rip it any style you want. I'ma switch it a bitch. Jimmy Smith ain't a quitter. I'ma sit it till I get enough in me to finally hit a fucking boiling point. Put some oil in your joints. Flip the coin, bitch. Come get destroyed. An MC's worst dream. I make them tense. They hate me. See me and shake like a chain link fence. By the looks of them, you would swear that yours was coming. By the screams of them, you would swear I'm sawing someone. By the way they're running, you would swear the law was coming. It's now or never, and tonight it's all or nothing. Mama Jimmy keeps leaving on us. He said he'd be back, he pinky promised. I don't think he's honest. I'll be back, baby. I just gotta beat this clock. Fuck this clock. I'ma make him eat this watch. Don't believe me, watch. I'ma win this race, and I'ma come back and rub my shit in your face, bitch. I found my niche. You gon' hear my voice till you're sick of it. You ain't gonna have a choice. If I gotta scream till I have half a lung, if I have half a chance, I grab it, rap it, run.
On the cover of the beat, so twerking, bitch.
Nigga really need is a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. We can head to the crib in a little bit. I can show you how I live in a little bit. I mean, I'm button your pants just a little bit. Take them all, pull them down just a little bit. Get the kissing and touching a little bit. Get the licking it a little bit. All a nigga really need is a little bit. All a nigga really need is a little bit. All a nigga really need is a little bit. just a little bit. Clothes off, face down, ass up.
Like
All I think I really need is a little bit. Stereos, hard to tell though, cause it switched the flow. Eyes a little low, cause it twisted the jaw.
Chimpanzee, them a make big money. We born unknowing, how we born knowing on. We growing wiser, how we just growing tall. Beat bombs, can you predict the future? Can you see storms coming?
Do what? Oh yeah, that's